Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Java, the math class provides several methods for rounding numbers, including math.round, math.floor, and math.ceil. Each of these methods serves a different purpose when it comes to rounding numeric values. Below, I'll explain the math.floor method specifically, along with examples of how to use it. Hashtag what is math.floor? The math.floor AA method returns the largest integer value that is less than or equal to the argument, the input value. Essentially, it rounds down to the nearest whole number. Hashtag key points. If the input is already an integer, math.floor will return the same integer. If the input is a negative decimal, it will round down towards the next lower integer, which is more negative. The return type of math.floor is double. Hashtag syntax. Hashtag example usage. Here's a simple Java program that demonstrates how to use math.floor. Hashtag explanation of the code. 1. Importing the math class. The math class is part of the java.lang package, which is available by default, so you don't need to import it explicitly. 2. Creating an array of numbers. The program defines an array of double values that includes positive and negative numbers, as well as 0. 3. Looping through the numbers. A for loop iterates over the array, applying the math.floor method to each number. 4. Printing the results. The results are printed using system.out.printf, which formats the output nicely. Hashtag output. When you run the program, it will output. Hashtag summary. Math.floor is useful when you need to round down a floating point number to its nearest lower integer. It can handle both positive and negative numbers. Remember that the result is always a double, even if it represents a whole number. This method is particularly useful in scenarios like adjusting prices, working with indices in arrays, or when you need to ensure that a value does not exceed a certain threshold.